Freddy doesn't like...
You are attempting to... You. Thank you for depositing 5 coins. You are attempting...
Freddy...
You...
Freddy...
Thank you for depositing 5 coins.
Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since
Please
Freddy
deposit
and
5
become
coins.
more active as the week
Please
progresses.
deposit 5 coins.
It might be good to peek at
Thank
those
you
cameras
for
while I
depositing
talk,
5
just to
coins.
make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know. Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come off stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots happen to be right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to check the door lights. You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that. Also, check on the curtain in Pirate Cove from time to time. The character in there seems unique in that he becomes more active
Please
with the
deposit.
camera and
Freddy
remains
doesn't
off
like...
for long
Thank
periods
you
of
for
time.
depositing
I
5
guess he doesn't like
coins.
being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
Don't get distracted.
Please deposit 5 coins. Thank you for depositing 5 coins.
I'm ready for my close-up. Dear Diary, yesterday was so amazing, and I met such a wonderful guy. But I don't think it was meant to last, for my heart belongs to another. He's so amazing and strong and so cute. I've been thinking about him all day, and I think he's really into me too. He's the only one for me. I just know it. And I know just how to get him. Look at that untamed fur. That amazing silky sheen. He'll be mine by the end of the day. I just know it. I told him that someone ran over his dog in front of my house. But once he's there, I'll entice him with warm cookies, lure him inside, invite him inside, and then I'll have him. And once I have him, he'll be mine forever. There is only one thing that could possibly go wrong.